Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mayan and I welcome you all to my channel. So today our topic of discussion is electromagnetic spectrum in section 3 waves. So what is actually electromagnetic spectrum? Electromagnetic spectrum हकीकत में है क्या? तो it is the arrangement of all the electromagnetic waves in with respect to their wavelength and frequency either in ascending or descending order. So if we define electromagnetic spectrum, it refers to the arrangement of electromagnetic waves with respect to their wavelength, that is lambda, and frequency, either in increasing or decreasing order. Now if we discuss about electromagnetic waves, which waves are included in electromagnetic waves, before that we need to understand what are electromagnetic waves, what is meant by electromagnetic waves. These are those types of waves. If we talk about basic idea about electromagnetic waves, these are those waves that possess both electrical and magnetic characteristics or properties. Now if we discuss about electromagnetic waves, it is a very topic, it is a topic of concern about in students, that they can't remember electromagnetic waves. So we would remember them with their with a mnemonic that Rashid made ice cream very unique, where R stand for radio waves, M stand for microwaves, I stand for infrared waves, V stand for visible light, that is the only type of waves that we can see with our normal eyes, and U is ultraviolet. There are two more waves in electromagnetic spectrum, and that are X-rays and gamma rays. If we discuss about their order of wavelength and frequency, so moving from X-rays towards gamma rays, wavelength decreases whereas frequency increases. The reason for this is that we have studied the basic equation in waves, that is V equals to F lambda. Now if we arrange this equation, we will find that frequency and lambda are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, if one increases, the other decreases. Now, another thing that we are going to study is common properties of electromagnetic waves. Common characteristics or properties of electromagnetic waves. Number one, all electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. Now, what is meant by transverse? It is a type of wave in which oscillation of particles of the medium from which the waves is passing is perpendicular to the direction of wave motion. This is the symbol for perpendicular, and it may be it is very similar for those students who are studying O-level mathematics. The second property of electromagnetic waves is that they do not require any medium to travel, which means that they can pass through solids, liquids, gases, or in vacuum, that is space. Now, those of you who have studied radiations in thermal physics, you must have studied that radiations does not require any medium, and that's why the infrared rays from the sun, which is also part of electromagnetic spectrum, can travel through space towards the earth. The third common property is that they all have common speed of 3.0 exponent 8 meter per second. And the last property is that these waves can undergo reflection, refraction, and diffraction. I know I have not covered refraction, but don't worry, I will cover it in any of my further videos. Now, the final topic of studying electromagnetic spectrum is the usages of electromagnetic waves. Their daily life application. Applications of electromagnetic waves. If we discuss about radio waves, focus on the word radio. These waves are used in radio and television communication. The reason for that is that radio waves have the greatest wavelength, because we have studied that in order of decreasing wavelength, radio waves have the greatest wavelength. Therefore, when they come across an edge, they diffract at the greatest rate, hence increasing the signal coverage. For the second wave, microwaves, focus on the word micro. It is used in cooking, in microwave ovens, and even in satellite communications like GPS navigation systems. The third wave that we studied is infrared. Now, those of you who are the students of O-level computer science, you must have studied in chapter 3 hardware section 3.2 input and output devices that infrared waves are used in infrared touch screens. That is its one of the application. The second one is visible light. And by the word visible, you can identify that these are the type of waves that we can see with our normal eyes. It helps us to see and even detect fault in fiber optics. Number fifth is ultraviolet. It is used to detect fake currency notes and even in cleaning of medical ornament equipments. Number six is X-rays. Many of us are aware of the word X-ray from our daily life. Whenever someone visits a doctor with a broken limb or any problem in the organ, doctor suggests them to get out the X-ray. Therefore, these waves are used in ultrasound to take images of internal body organs and even in 3D scanner which uses X-ray or white light to scan 3D solid objects and produce their 3D electronic image. It is mostly used in airports. Our last is gamma rays. Gamma rays are used to kill cancer cells which are at initial stage. So that's it from my side. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.